Welcome to our channel. How to troubleshoot common range extender connection problems. 1. Check the power. Make sure the extender is plugged in properly and the power LED is on. 2. Move it closer to router. Place the extender halfway between your router and weak signal area. 3. Check router internet first. Confirm your main Wi-Fi router is working fine before checking the extender. 4. Connect to the right network. Ensure your device is connected to the extender's Wi-Fi EXT name. 5. Check LED indicators. Green, blue equals good. Red, orange equals weak signal. Right pointing arrow, move extender closer. 6. Restart both devices. Turn off and on the extender and router. Wait 10 seconds. 7. Reconnect using WPS. Press WPS on router, right pointing arrow, then WPS on extender within 2 minutes. 8. Forget and reconnect Wi-Fi on your phone/laptop. Remove the extender network and reconnect. 9. Update extender firmware. Log in to extender admin page and install any updates. 10. Factory reset if needed. Press reset button for 5 to 10 seconds. Right pointing arrow, set up again like new. Thanks for watching.